How to see your Apple ID password on your iPhone. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your Apple ID password right on your iPhone. If you've forgotten it, don't worry, I'll walk you through two simple methods to retrieve it. So let's get started. First, swipe left past all your home screens until you reach the app library. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type in passwords. Once it shows up, tap to open the passwords section. You'll be prompted to use Face ID for verification. Now that you're inside, use the search bar at the top and type in Apple. From the results, select Apple account. Here you'll see your username and saved password for your Apple ID. Just tap the password field to view or copy it. But what if it's not saved here? No problem. There's another way using Google Password Manager. If you've ever saved your Apple ID password using Google Browser or on another device, here's what you can do. First, open the Google Chrome app. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Now tap the three-dot menu at the bottom right, swipe left on the menu that pops up, and tap on Password Manager. Again, Face ID will be required. Scroll through your saved passwords until you find apple.com. Tap on it, and just like before, you'll see your username and Apple ID password. And that's how you can see your Apple ID password on iPhone. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.